In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with frames and images in Canva, making your designs stand out effortlessly. We'll cover everything from using elements to cropping images into shapes. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have your Canva document open. If you haven't already, navigate to your project and let's get ready to add some unique flair to your design. Canva is a fantastic tool for all your graphical needs, and today I'll show you just how versatile it can be. The first thing you want to do is click on the Elements tab located on the left side of your screen. From here, enter the term Frames into the search bar. You'll notice a variety of frames to choose from, but for simplicity's sake, let's go with the circle frame for this demonstration. Frames are a great way to creatively display your images, so feel free to explore other shapes later. Once you've selected your circle frame, you'll want to upload an image. On the left side panel, you'll see an Upload option. Click on it and proceed to upload the image you wish to use from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you'll find it in your Uploads folder in Canva. Simply click on the image to insert it into your document. With your image in the project, you can now drag it directly into the circle frame you've just added. This is a pretty neat feature, as Canva will automatically adjust the photo to blend perfectly within your chosen shape. Now let's fine-tune that image placement. To crop the image so it fits just the way you want it, double-click on the image that's in your frame. This action will bring up the crop options. You'll notice resize handles around the image. These allow you to adjust the size and position of your image within the frame. Take your time here, adjusting the image until you're satisfied with how it fits into the circle. When you're happy with the placement and crop, just click outside of the frame and voila! Your image is beautifully encased within a shape, ready to enhance your design project. This simple yet effective technique can be used to create polished and professional-looking designs with minimal effort. And there you have it. You're all done. Now you have a powerful technique in your Canva toolkit to make your designs more visually appealing. Don't hesitate to use this method in different projects, experimenting with various frames and images to see what creative combinations you can come up with. Thanks for watching and happy designing!